We're going to talk about how to create normal probability plots, otherwise known as QQ plots. And you previously set up a portfolio of 4 stocks and their daily change in value. You'll want to call that data again. And one way of doing so is just to simply continue working in the markdown file that you used for Unit 3. Just adding what you are doing for Unit 4 below everything that you've already coded. And you'll see in my markdown file here, I've set up some initial functions to generate a normal probability plot for the Disney daily change. I'm going to run that and take a look at the plot that appears. This is a normal probability plot. Ideally, if this data were normally distributed, all of the circles or points, as you see there, would align on that line that we have imposed on the graph with the QQ line function. Now, before I present this or post this, I would want to clarify for which stock is this graph. Now, if you're ever wondering how to work with a function, simply go to your console, type in question mark and the function name. When you do that, a help window will open in RStudio, and you can scroll down and see some of the arguments that go into that function. For example, you see here for QQ norm, we have input the variable. That's what goes in the place of y. And then there are other things that are automatically generated, some that have a default. And that main, as you see here, is what we see in the title. So if I want to change that, I can copy and paste that into my function call so that I can clarify which stock this is for. So notice we need quotes around it, and this is Disney daily change. So by calling that main argument and stating that I want to name it something else, the function will recognize that and change my title so that now when I present this, my audience will see, okay, this is for Disney daily change in stock value and its corresponding normal QQ plot or normal probability plot. From here, we can easily replicate all of this information for other stocks in our portfolio. For example, for our demonstration, we have Honda Motor Company ready to go. So I'm just going in and changing the variable name to Honda Motor Company. I'll change my title for that one to Honda. I can rerun this chunk. And now I have both graphs for Disney and Honda. Let's look at them a little larger here. You can see Honda appears to be more normally distributed in its daily change in stock values than Disney, since some of those points for Disney are veering off of the line in the normal QQ plot, whereas more of them are aligning on that line in the Honda daily change plot. For more about how to interpret the QQ plots, you may want to take a look at your reading in Hawk's Learning.